If you know the PMP processes but still lose mark, you're answering a people problem with a process solution. On the PMP exam, you're already being tested on the memory. You're being tested on what to do first. So before you look at the answers, ask one question. What is breaking first? Alignment or execution? In the exam, if the situation points to conflict, resistance, unclear rules, missing buy-in, poor communication, then alignment is the blocker. PMI expects you to address people first. That means actions like discussing concerns, facilitating alignment, clarifying expectations, resolving conflict. Not tools, not documents, not templates. Now flip it. If people are aligned and the issue is about missing plans, uncontrolled changes, unmanaged risks, unclear baselines, then execution is the blocker. That's when PMI expects you to apply the process. Remember, the PMP exam tests decision order, not tools. Always ask, is this an alignment issue or an execution gap? Fix alignment before execution when people are the blocker. Processes don't resolve confusion or resistance. Choose the action that stabilizes the situation first. If this helped you untangle people versus process decision, follow our channel for more easy concept breakdowns.